Baby, we can't keep loving like the lotto. Too much time about to pull back out your condo. Sunshine, space, fit, chillin', that's the motto. Do we really want
Did God put some air in your lungs this morning? Did he put a beat in your heart? Because he did mine, amen. And I'm thankful. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Michelle. I know y'all see this hat. Keisha Colden did it again. It's business casual. It's giving, I gotta run to the store real quick, but I'm not trying to take these rollers out. So today, on this lovely morning, I'm 9, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Your girl's late, that's okay. I'm running a little behind schedule. I'm bringing to you another super duper quick install, and you can go glueless with this one too. Real quick and easy, okay? Because these wig companies is listening, baby. They like, these women don't have time. Time for what? No. So this hair is from NadulaHair. Y'all, look at this bag. Hold on.
I screamed, you scream, we can never play it fair. Thought you're on
NadulaHair. Why? What was the reason? Look at this bag. Okay, so this is the box the wig came in. It's beautiful, it's black, it's matte, it's giving elegance. But this bag is crazy. This is so much fun. I'm gonna have to hide this in my closet because I know Bella's gonna take it and all her Barbies are gonna be in here. So real quick, I wanna show you what I got in my box because I love getting extra goodies. So this bag inside, there is a headband wig for when you're laying down your edges. Then I got a wig cap. There's some eyelashes in here and a powder brush for when you're adding makeup to your wig cap. It came with a satin dust bag for you to put your wig in for storage. And then there's another headband wig, but this one is luxurious. It says Nadula on it. I love this bonnet. It says, I got some places to be. Sleep, you will not stop me. Okay, so here's the wig. So it's a 7x5 lace closure wig. Okay, so it's not a full lace wig, it's a lace closure wig. Because this wig cap, here you go right here, it's got some stretch to it, all right? But I put it inside out so you can see the placement of the combs. This particular cap construction does not have adjustable straps, but it does have this wig slip grip that is all around the perimeter of the wig. So once you put it down, it's gonna stay down. And that's good for my glueless girls, for people who don't wanna mess with no adhesives or anything like that. Plus you have this stretchy band, and the stretchy band is gonna keep you safe. Okay, ask me how I know. Water Park 2023, saved my life. Here's the temple comb, and here's the temple comb. So like I said, the knots come pre-bleached, but I'm gonna show you the difference because everybody and their mama say they come pre-bleached, right? What happens is when you get the wig, sometimes companies say that they're pre-bleached. Bro, they're not, okay? I can see the knots, all right? So then you run the risk of bleaching the knots for the second time because you can see that they've been lifted. You ever have like 1B color hair, right? And then you see the knots are kind of brownish. They're still visible, but they're not gone, right? Then you try to bleach the knots and the hair's falling out, now you got bald spots. So that's what I'm just saying, okay? So these knots are pre-bleached, and I'm gonna do a close-up so you can see what I'm talking about, okay? All right, you see that? Do you see this? When a company says pre-bleached knots, this is what we're talking about, bro. This is perfection, okay? Do you know how many wigs in my lifetime I've ruined trying to get this exact effect? Just for comparison, let me show you another wig. Okay, so this is your regular average wig that you will get when you order one of the units from various different places, you know what I mean? They say pre-bleached, but this is what they mean. And you know how you can still see all of those knots? So in my opinion, I would much rather use makeup on the part of a wig like this instead of trying to bleach it twice because don't nobody want to double process their unit. No ma'am, no ma'am. Okay, I'm hitting you with one last glimpse of this Nadula unit real quick for comparison. Ain't no comparison, B. So because the knots are gone and they went bye-bye, we gonna call this bye-bye knots. Bye-bye knots. So here is a glimpse of all the gorgeousness that this hair is. Look at this. It's like a body wave, honey. I think it's 24 inches. I could be wrong though. I got to get a tape measure in this room. This particular cap construction, you can do a bald cap method if you want to, but you don't have to. Just wear a wig cap underneath, protect them strands, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put her on dry, honey. And we're gonna see what it looks like before I do any kind of altering to it at all. Also, another thing, it comes pre-cut. The lace is already cut already. So if you have a hard time cutting your lace, some people put their lace wig on, adhere it, then cut the lace. Some people cut the lace first. I know back in the day, that's what I used to do. I used to always cut my lace first, because how? I couldn't understand how people were cutting the lace so good after it was already, you know, put on their head. But then, you know, with practice, I got better at it. But yeah, this is already pre-cut. So you plop this on your head and go, girl. Plop it on, do your makeup, and put on the outfit, and you're ready. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. Bye, Keisha. I got my George Jefferson bald cap method going on, because I did my bald cap method first, and then I put the wig on, and I was like, girl, stop. So I had to adjust, all right? Because that's what we do. We adjust, we pivot, and we adapt. Why? Because we're awesome. So I'm gonna put this on, and the only comb I'm going to engage is my nape comb, because I don't care what the back. In New York. Okay, so my daughter loves Hamilton. She has been singing Hamilton nonstop. It's just nonstop. She's been singing Hamilton nonstop for the past couple of days because they showed it in her school. And now at random intervals of the day, I'm like quoting the play. So here's what the wig looks like when I put it on. You can see the left child. You want to make sure that that adjustable band that's inside of your wig is nice and tight, but not too tight. We don't want no headaches around here. Won't need no migraines, but we do need it to stay on, okay? So after you put it on, you're pretty much done. Unless you want to change up the style a little bit or do something. You know, it came with baby hairs. You know how I feel about baby hairs. I don't know about baby hairs for me. And that's just because I can't do them, all right? Full transparency. I suck at baby hairs. Right now, it's really giving spooky, very Morticia. So I'm not gonna change anything yet. I am going to adhere the wig down just because that's how I roll, okay? I'm very clumsy. We have a lot of cabinets and cabinets with very interesting hardware around the house, and I catch my robe, my wig on everything. So I'm going to adhere at least the very front. At least this side is getting some adhesive. But I won't change the hairstyle until I beat my face, because you know you can't really tell if what the wig looks like unless you got makeup on. I don't know what it is. It brings it out, okay? So I'm going to adhere this wig, and then I'm going to do my face. That's the plan. All right, so I will be right back.
It's a 9 to 5, ain't got no time for you and I to get it right. It's Friday night, where's the red and white wine? Let's take it to another life. No time for leisure, more time to please you. Just get started. Girl, why you leave it? Why you don't hope this Saturday? I'll be breaking up again. Why you don't hope this Saturday? I'll be breaking up again.
Okay, so face is done, and the hair looks good. All right. It is this pretty body wave. So I think probably all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl the ends, just the very, very tips of the ends, so I can have like continuity with this wave, and redo these baby hairs, and we be good. So I wasn't going to do my whole head, I was just going to do the ends, but continuity. We want all the curls to look uniform, right? Okay. That's what we're going for. Now that all the curls are done, I'm just going to break them apart gently because they all kind of crunchety. I don't want to do too much because I don't want to make them frizzy. I showed you guys what the cap construction looked like. So if you didn't want to wear this middle part, you could definitely switch it up and change your parts, or you could do like a half up, half down style. I'm not about that life though, but I've seen girls who rock it and they do it so well. And I read on their website that they use a hand woven. Y'all ever seen those videos of those people tying the knots individually on the wigs? Which is expensive, but you know, Nadula has a good price, y'all. Look. Hand woven, bye-bye knots. Toodles. I love this stuff. Clean by Reserve Skin. I'm all done. The install took like that. I'm gonna gloss her up a little bit for some shine. Oh wow. Be sparing, I guess. Shoot. And I'm all done. I'll give you a little 360 of the hair. It's my favorite color, rosy sweet. So that was a very, very simple, easy, beginner-friendly install. Like literally, lace already cut, knots already bleached, hair already styled. I just added more because I lost some definition when I brushed everything out like a dummy, but super quick. Thank you, NadulaHair, for this gorgeous unit. And thank you guys so much for watching. All the information about what I'm wearing will be in the description box below. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and hit me up in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!